Stream zu Life is Strange. Und wir sind immer noch in der 4. Episode.
Hey, Max. How you doing?
Oh, hi, Mr. Jefferson. I'm okay. And this is my friend Chloe.
Yeah.
Chloe? Why isn't somebody as cool as you going to Blackwell?
I was way too cool for this school. It's a long story. In actual files here.
I can imagine. Max, are you sure that you're all right?
It's weird being suspended and just walking around campus.
Well, you are an adult now. This isn't prison, is it?
Not until we get orange jumpsuits.
On that note, Blackwell duty calls. Remember, I'm going to announce the winner of the Everyday Heroes contest tonight at the party, so I hope you'll be there to celebrate, even though I'm sorry you didn't enter a photo. I understand your reasons. You can't force an artist to work.
I feel like a total loser, but it's been a hard week
Ich
to
frage
focus.
mich immer noch, ob man
No pun
ein
intended.
Foto
I'm proud of you
einreichen
for caring
kann.
so much about a troubled friend. And I take hope in the fact that you have plenty of time to find your way. Just get in the habit of putting your work out there.
Thanks, Mr. Jefferson. I'll definitely be there tonight.
Me too. I'll be Max's date. You better dance with us at least once.
Nobody should have to see me dance. Plus, you don't want to watch the old hipster trying to keep up with the kids. I have some pride. Be seeing you.
Yes, you will. Hot for teacher.
Rose! You're out of control.
Not yet. Just wait until the rager tonight.
Shut up.
Don't be jealous because Mark Jefferson thinks I'm cool.
I am so ignoring you.
Fine. Since I'm here, I'll see if I can get some dirt from Justin. Haven't talked to him in a while.
Now that is a great plan. Let's see if I can find out where Nathan is.
Ja, dann schauen wir mal. Zuerst mal hier Foto schießen.
One photo. For posterity. Okay, where did these rocks come from? This is too Blair Witch for me.
Blair Witch Project.
That's so ironic that Warren asked Max to the drive-in.
Hey, Brooke. How are you?
I'm here as usual. By the way,
Here as usual.
thanks for helping Kate down. Are you okay?
I can't get my limited brain around that eclipse and the beached whales. I was hoping the science department had some ideas.
Warren and I are supposed to compare notes and theories this weekend.
That makes sense. 2 big brains are better than 1. Or mine.
We'd get the Nobel Prize if we could explain this phenomenon, but even Miss Grant has no clue.
I need to find Nathan. Have you seen him around?
Ask Warren. I mean, you're going to the
Ask
movies with him and
Warren.
everything.
Okay, Brooke. But right now I'm trying to find Nathan.
Warren's not good enough for you? Okay. I saw Nathan pissed and walking off campus earlier. Good luck getting that date, Max.
Ach, Scheißdecke.
I have to go. Talk later, Brooke. Good. Nathan is not around. Back again, Brooke.
Are you sure you're all right?
I might feel better taking your drone for a quick flight.
Miss Grant finally gave up and let me fly her again. But you're going to the drive-in with Warren, so you don't have time to fly my drone.
Really? I can't fly your drone because I'm going to see ape movies with Warren?
You are perceptive, Max. Now, excuse me. My drone needs me. That's so ironic that Warren asked
Was
Max
für
to
eine
drive.
Bitch?
Did you think you could hide from Max Caulfield, squirrel paparazzi?
I had to clear away another batch of dead birds today. Sad.
Makes me.
How are you doing, Max? Been a tough week. I know.
Yes, it has, Samuel. How are you?
Sad and confused like everybody else in Arcadia Bay. You look like you have a lot of questions, too.
I definitely have questions about what's happening to the animals in Arcadia Bay.
Oh, many do. These poor creatures have no choice in what happens to them.
Well, I'm glad to see your squirrels are still healthy and happy on the campus.
Me too. If something happened to them... Oh,
Not as long as you're here to take care of them, Samuel.
the only thing that calms them is food. Lots of food. Which reminds me that I have to feed them now.
Mad. Climate change isn't real my ass.
I think everything is changing here.
As a scientist, I'm fascinated.
So, dann locken wir ihn mal.
I'm very worried.
Get that food in your belly.
You're scared too. Look at the weather. And the animals.
Not to mention poor Kate Marsh.
We all need to look out for each other these days.
Two cute little squirrels posing for me? If you insist.
Dann machen wir halt ein Foto.
Sorry to bother you again, Samuel.
There's no bother here, Max.
I definitely have...
Oh,
What do you think about all those dying birds?
Samuel had to bury dozens near the Tobanga.
Is that cool with the Tobanga?
We'll find out if the souls of the bird move on. Not that we can prove it.
It's so ominous.
Unless it's fate. Then it doesn't matter.
How can anybody explain all those poor beached whales?
My dad was a fisherman, and he'd take me out to hear the whales sing. Now they just cry.
Do you think this is some kind of eco-disaster, or...
I think it's more than that. Somebody is causing all this to happen.
You think so, Samuel?
You and Arcadia Bay are connected by time and tide. So, next time I have a question, I'm coming to you.
Kannst du machen, ne?
More questions than answers.
Samuel is always here to talk.
Have you seen Nathan Prescott around?
I try not to.
So, what do you know about Nathan?
I know enough to not want to know anymore.
Well, okay. Enough said. You know a lot of Blackwell secrets, so I thought you could help me.
Max, I'm a custodian, not a psychic. I can only help by warning you to be careful.
Ja,
I
wenn wir ein
actually
Medium
just talked to Kate Marsh in the
brauchen, müssen
hospital.
wir jetzt so Penner werden.
She's doing so much better.
Because of you, Max. That was quite a rescue.
Samuel, you're the eyes of Blackwell. Did you know Kate was being bullied?
Most everyone makes fun of me. But Samuel warned them about Kate. I hate bullies, Max.
I believe you.
Kate just needed some more helpful spirits like her friend Max. I hope she finds them now.
Do you ever talk with David Madsen?
He talks to me. I listen.
That's how David operates.
He sees things, not people.
Ja, das kenne ich schon alles.
I think he sees you, Max.
Why do you say that?
Because you both see with cameras.
I think you have better vision than both of us.
No, Max. I just look at everything from
a
different angle.
I still have a million questions about what's happening to Arcadia Bay.
That must be why Miss Gant says you're one of her favorite students at Blackwell.
I'd rather be in her class than the Vortex Club.
Yes, you would. Rachel saw right through them.
She's not the only one.
Nobody should be trapped in the Vortex Club. Get out now, Max, while time is on your side.
Huh.
I keep thinking that Rachel Amber has a few answers. If we can find her.
If Rachel wants to be found.
That's the real secret. Where is she?
If anybody knows, it will be you. My dreams tell me that.
But...
Max, all I can tell you is to stay on your path and you'll find what you're looking for. Rachel Amber is waiting too.
Even though Miss Grant likes me, I have zero science skills to explain that eclipse.
As I was just saying to her, that's because science has no explanation. Well, no offense to Miss Grant here, but this is just the beginning.
How do you know that? I'm genuinely curious.
You just have to open your eyes. Then, you can see what's coming. That's why I can sense something bigger is coming to Arcadia Bay. And Max, I don't like it at all.
I'm sorry. I better get going now.
Hello, Max. Thanks again for helping me fight the power.
No
Hi, Miss
problem.
Grant.
Max, you always show up when I'm talking about you. I'm still bragging about you and the other students making Blackwell surveillance free.
I was hoping you could explain some of these crazy things happening in Arcadia Bay.
If I could, I'd be collecting my Nobel Prize in Science today. I haven't been able to wrap my mind around that eclipse, much less the snow in Wales.
I think this is beyond science.
Nothing is beyond science except for our lack of knowledge. We may never know why, but that doesn't change reality.
I am worried about reality. I feel like it's changing right in front of us.
You and Samuel both. We were talking about that before you came over. Our planet is changing, but it's not mystic. It's erosion.
So, you don't think this could be some kind of prophecy or something?
Max, you know how fascinated I am by Arcadia Bay legends. But I haven't found any apocalyptic signs yet. Unless you count those end-of-the-world posters. Unless you know something I don't.
What about wormholes and chaos theory? Like time travel stuff.
The only wormholes in Arcadia Bay are underground. And chaos theory is just that. But if this is about time travel, sign me up.
Would you really change time?
Not after reading that Bradbury story, A Sound of Thunder. I won't give it away, but it involves dinosaurs and butterflies. Time is like a thread, Max. One tug and it all can unravel.
I was looking for Nathan Prescott, and I thought he might be in your class.
I'm surprised, Max. I didn't think you and Nathan were exactly friends.
No way. I just have to, ask him a question.
I saw him leaving campus looking angrier than usual. But to be honest, Max, Nathan hasn't been too well lately. You might know more about that than me.
Too much.
I can tell. You look like you have more than a question on your mind. Maybe asking Nathan isn't such a good idea right now. You hear me, Max?
I don't think surveillance would have helped Kate
I
much.
hear you,
Who needs
but I don't
surveillance when we have
listen.
Maxine Caulfield? You did a wonderful thing. And now we have to make sure Kate gets the help she needs. Do you need to talk to a counselor?
Yeah.
No thanks, Miss Grant. I have my best friend and my parents. For now.
I'm happy to hear that, Max. Just don't ever be afraid to talk to somebody, okay? I wish Kate had come to me. I had no idea what she was going through.
Kate was drugged at the Vortex Club party and bullied by them until she ended up on the roof. How do you stop that?
Shut down that damn Vortex Club for a start. I don't mean to get riled up, but that party should have been postponed. It's extremely tasteless given what happened with Kate.
Do the Prescotts have anything to do with the Vortex Club? I mean, they don't get all their money from car washes.
No, they don't. But membership has its privileges. Especially when your father is Blackwell's biggest sponsor. This elitist nonsense has no place here.
You're right. I just wish this could be the school that I dreamed about before I came here.
I hear you, Max. I love seeing you and Warren and all my students at your best here. But you're all too young to be so cynical. But you truly give me hope.
I'm sorry, Miss Grant. I have to get going. I'll see you later.
It's always good talking to you, Max.
See you soon. So, okay.
Hello, Max. Thanks again for helping me fight the power.
Good thing I didn't let Chloe take that money from Principal Wells.
Justin, it's been so long since I've seen you.
Because you're way too cool for us now, Chloe.
Way too much shit going on, man.
Try going to Blackwell. Insane.
Was für ein bekiffter Junge.
Coast is clear. It would be so cool if you and me were going to school here together.
But now you can have Mr. Jefferson all to yourself.
Ah, you suck. Now let's get into Blackwell Ninja mode.
Blackwell Ninja mode.
It's so lame they don't have co-ed dorms here.
Yes, because I want Nathan Prescott in the room next door.
Good point.
Wait here. Give me the signal if Nathan or anybody shows up.
I won't let you down, Batmax.
Now I just have to find Nathan's room.
Nathan? Ein SMS. Wer hat mir was geschrieben?
Kate brings it. So, room 111 is the magic number. Oh, why, hello, Trevor. And Dana. Even after Kate, nobody here learned anything about bullying.
Oh. Fußabdruck. Okay.
Every photographer should have one blurry
Bigfoot.
Bigfoot shot. Zach or Logan. Who knows? Bro's got a bro.
Okay. Nathans Zimmer.
This can only be Nathan's room.
Was steht da? The Prescott's rule.
Oh, you Bigfoots. Looks like one of the jocks did care about Kate.
Sorry, Kate.
Poor Warren. This is the work of Nathan. He's so lucky I'm a pacifist. Hello, Warren's room. Hawking and him make a good team.
Also, schreiben.
I can have a little fun with Warren for a change. I mean, he's the one who wants to go Abe. And sometimes you have to take a chance and see what happens. I hope Warren doesn't think that's too dorky. I mean, not like he isn't. He'll laugh, right? Ugh, skunk weed and video games. I sense Hayden is near.
Also gehen wir zu Neve.
Now I need to find Nathan's phone, or anything with clues. Yes, I would be cool with having this high-tech projector. Damn, Nathan. That's a nice shot. It's so damn creepy, but the guy has his own style. I don't think one book can guide the Prescotts. That must be the lamp Chloe broke when Nathan drugged her. That looks like a totally fun show. Even Nathan has a light side. Whale songs? Maybe this is the only soothing thing Nathan ever hears.
Tote Wale.
That is so Chloe. Oh my God. Chloe. Oh, Chloe.
Oh.
Nathan clearly has his fetish down. That's so cute and ironic. I can't believe Nathan still has it around. That monochrome camera is brand new and cost about $6 grand. Bastard. Max, hurry up and find Nathan. I thought Victoria had the photo bling, but once again, the Prescott's rule. I don't think this prescription has helped Nathan. I'd cry too if I had him for a father and had to wear that suit. Let's see what Nathan hides in here. Nathan is way into this party. Bad sign.
Victoria.
Bastard. Now I remember why I hate you. and why Kate will get justice. Oh man. Sean Prescott might be Nathan's real problem. Too bad Nathan isn't more like his sister. She sounds awesome.
Krass.
And far away. Yes, Nathan sure needs diet pills. This is strong stuff. Holy shit. That's the gun Nathan used on Chloe. A gift from... Nathan likes his tortured subjects. Wait, these films all have a dark pattern.
Ja, wo ist jetzt das Handy?
Nathan Prescott, all-American teen.
Handy.
What the hell are all those marks on the floor? Let's find out what you're hiding. Oh yes, little phone. You are mine now. Now I have Nathan's phone, so I can show it to Chloe. Well, before Nathan comes back.
Ja, gehen wir. Schnell.
Damn, Max, you're finally back. I got worried. So, what did you find?
His room was clean and creepy. Check this out.
Boom, Nathan. We got you by the balls, fucker.
What are you doing in my dorm? You're such a nosy bitch, Max.
Stop right there, Nathan.
Make me, ho. Max,
Logan.
I got this. Get the fuck out of my face. You are so fucking dead! Get off me, bro!
Warren, stop it! Come on.
Oh, my head. Why are y'all looking at me like that, huh? You and you're all dead!
Let's go, now.
Plus, my dad is on his way. You're all fucked. He owns you.
Scheiß
Even
Papa
if
aus
Nathan
irgendwie.
definitely deserved a beating, we should try to be better than that.
Papa Söhnchen.
Damn, that was intense. Warren, thank you so much.
For what?
For headbutting Nathan Prescott. It was awesome.
I don't know. I almost went crazy there. Like Nathan.
You're not anything like him.
Good to know. So where are you going? I better stick with you guys. Just in case you need me to get my Hulk on again. Or should I call the cops on Nathan?
No police. Not yet. So maybe you better,
Warren, me and Max have to do this on our own. No offense.
It's cool. Whatever I can do to help.
what you can do is find out anything you can about Nathan's father.
I'm on it. Between the snow and Eclipse, I'm assuming the apocalypse is around the corner.
And thank you. Seriously. I'll call you later.
You better. I'm feeling pretty alpha now.
Yes, you are.
Man, that guy is so fucking in love with you.
I know.
He really did give a serious beatdown to Nathan.
It was a little scary to watch him do that.
Now let's make a date with Frank.
Will he even answer you?
Frank always answers when he wants money. Like I said, Frank wants to see me right now.
Let's not keep him waiting.
So schnell. Let's go.
God, I hate seeing those poor whales like that.
Me too. I just think of their families in the ocean out there looking for them. Well, that asshole's gonna help us find Rachel. You know what would be great? If I still had a gun.
Yes, the chance for gunplay would just about even the odds here.
Frank would scare better. He's a pussy. Besides, if I take him out, you can just rewind.
Chloe, do not count on my rewind. Seriously. After Kate, I feel like every time I do it might be the last.
There's no way we could have guessed this is what would happen to us when we grew up.
I'm looking forward to the day when we can just go on a road trip to Portland.
Fuck yeah. You, me, and Rachel.
Absolutely. So let's play this cool, okay? Just talk to Frank so we can get that code for the book from him. That's all.
Got it. No dicking around.
Let's
Got it. Let's do this. One shield.
The forest seemed quiet. No sign of life. Or deer.
Aha, ein Reh ist also
There might not
kein
be any
Lebewesen.
Pan Estates by Saturday. This is where my nightmare started.
Der Leuchtturm.
How can all of this not be connected to a major storm?
Foto? Dann machen wir doch ein Foto.
It blows my mind that
Was gibt es denn noch? Okay, ein Windrad. Das ist sicher wieder im Wissenschaftsklassenzimmer. Ein
I
Adler.
was just here with Chloe in an alternate reality. Aw, poor little beach ball. I don't think Frank listened to my cleaning advice. It's not funny anyway.
I am so dirty.
can't see inside with this shit blocking the view.
Warum nicht?
Take the trash out sometime, dude.
Ist ja draußen.
This is where Frank ponders his existence and gets drunk. Oh, fresh meat. So Pompadour must be okay. Good doggy.
Good doggy.
Oh, look. The Wonder Twins. You should have come alone.
She's my partner.
Yeah, we're bodyguard. So let's get to business. Where's my fucking money?
I don't have the money. Yet.
Oh, really? Then why did you text me that you did?
Because I wanted to tell you in person.
Oh, I'm truly touched, Chloe. Now why are you losers really here?
We just want to ask you some questions.
You have some serious lady balls. No. Jesus, okay. But I'm not getting you high.
Frank, we're not here to get high.
No, you don't look like the type. Not like Chloe here. So what do you Hardy Boys want?
Just the names of some of
Hardy
your
Boys.
clients.
Ich habe eine
Oh, is that
Spur.
all? Oh, well, why didn't you just tell me? How about I just give you the keys to my RV while I'm at it?
You already did.
Ah, you fucking mental. I lost my keys, but I changed the lock. You better goddamn not be snooping around here.
No, I'm not.
Oh, Christ, I hate you Blackwell shits. You expect everything for free. You're not getting any handouts from me. I work for a living, you understand?
Yes, Frank. Without those Blackwell shits as customers, you wouldn't have any work at all. Dude, you're a drug dealer.
You snobby whores. Don't come into my home and judge me.
Ah, das
That's
wollte
why
ich
I
gar
go to
nicht.
church. And you want something from me? How about a blade up the ass, huh?
Calm down, Frank. Let's just talk.
Not ever tell me what to do.
Whoa!
Get off of me!
Motherfucker!
Nee. Das war nicht gut. Das war überhaupt nicht gut.
Listen, Chloe. I can tell you for a fact that this will not go well.
Max, I should have known you would be kind and rewind. So tell me exactly what I need to do here.
Please watch your mouth. You have no social skills here, and you will piss off Frank immediately.
You kind of love this, don't you? Fine, I'll try being like you for a change. Or how you used to be. I don't have the money.
No weapons, no.
Frank, your dog is kind of scary. Could you please close the RV door?
You aim your gun at me, but you're scared of my dog? That figures. Okay, there, you're safe. Now what do you want?
Just the names of some of your clients.
Oh, is that all? Oh, well, why didn't you just tell me? How about I just give you the keys to my RV while I'm at it?
Listen, Frank. I'm sorry to be such a nuisance, but this is important.
Yeah, everything's important these days. But I can tell you're not bullshitting me.
There's no time for that, Frank. I just need a little bit of information.
Yeah, well, it always starts with just a little. And Chloe here knows all about that, don't you?
Come on, Frank, this isn't about me now.
Yeah, right, okay. Both of you are giving me a headache. No deal.
Frank, we didn't come here to fight. This is so much bigger than us.
Oh yeah, you didn't come here to fight. A day after, you pulled a fucking gun on me.
I am so sorry about that. It might be the dumbest thing I've ever done. And I've done a lot of dumb things this week.
Finally, I believe you. But don't ever aim a gun at anybody unless you intend to kill. Although you don't look like you could kill a bug.
I try not to. And I never would have pulled the trigger. I was just...
Dude, she was scared, all right? You pulled your blade on me. We were all freaked out. Now we're all cool. Please?
Okay, we're cool for now. But my dog isn't. And if you try any shit, he will bite your head off. He's done it before.
We're only here to talk. I wouldn't mess with your dog.
Shit, you wouldn't have time. You like dogs?
Of course I do. I heard you even rescued a bunch of fight dogs. That's amazing.
No, alright, it was just the right thing to do. I couldn't stand to see those poor animals treated like slaves. And that's how I came to own Pompadour.
That's very cool, Frank. Your dog is lucky you came along.
Maybe we can focus on rescuing Rachel now?
Rachel? Is that why you're really here?
Yes, we're so close to finding her now, Frank. We need all the help we can get now. Especially from you.
You and Chloe do not know Rachel like I did, and I couldn't even help her. You're in way over your heads. Why don't you just go play in your clubhouse?
Listen, I read Rachel's letter. I know how much she cares about you.
You read that letter? Huh? The one in my RV? Are you fucking insane? You read my private letter? Man, there is something about you that is so wrong. I don't trust you at all. Now get out of my face.
We don't have much time, Frank. Rachel needs you.
It's too late. She's gone. You don't even know her.
Like you did? I loved her, asshole. And she loved me. I know that.
Chloe, you don't know shit. You were part of her problem. Always trying to take her away from me. Always.
Calm down, Frank. Let's just talk.
Not ever tell me what to do.
Ja. Das habe ich mir schon gedacht.
Whoa. Chloe!
Get off of me!
Motherfucker!
Gosh! You actually shot me! I wasn't gonna hurt you! Oh, this fucking hurts! Oh, it hurts!
Chloe! You shot him!
I know.
You're both fucking crazy! What do you want?
We just want the code for your account book.
Now!
You're fine, whatever, just put the goddamn gun down. You already shot me, alright? There. Now leave me alone, alright? Just get out of my life.
Do you want us to call an ambulance, or...?
No, thanks. You know what? I'll manage somehow without the police.
Oh, right.
Let's bounce.
Das war scheiße, Mann. Nee. Nee. Hör mal auf.
Listen, Chloe. Please.
You kind of...
Frank. Just the name.
Oh, he's... Yeah. Yeah.
Come...
I...
Shit.
That's...
Maybe we can...
Yes.
You and...
You have Rachel's bracelet. You obviously know more than you're telling. So tell us.
Never come into my home and tell me what to do. Understand? Man, there is something about you that is...
We don't have...
Okay. Gibt es keine andere? Doch, gibt eine andere Wahl, oder?
Shit. This could have gone way worse, but Frank might be more dangerous to Chloe now. Yes, Max, you can change all this if you want.
Boah, das geht immer so lange.
Listen, Chloe. Please.
You... Oh, is that... Yeah,
There's...
Yeah.
Come on.
Right. Oh. Finally, I believe...
Dude... We're only...
Shit, you...
Of course.
Maybe...
You and...
Frank, you knew Rachel almost better than anybody. And you know more than us. Together we could find her. Do you have anything to lose?
When Rachel vanished, I pretty much lost everything. I can't stand not knowing where she is. Not hearing her voice or her laugh anymore.
We can change all that. It's up to you.
Help us find her, Frank. Please. We really need your client list.
Well, if there's a chance in hell, you two dorks can find Rachel. I'll take it. My dog isn't barking at you, so I guess that's a good sign.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Frank. Seriously.
It's hard to take you characters seriously, but I want to. Good luck.
Schon viel besser. Schon viel besser. Würde ich sagen, geht's wieder zurück. Oder wo auch immer es jetzt hingeht.
Chloe, are you okay?
I'm glad things worked out okay with Frank. It's nice to have one less enemy in Arcadia Bay.
Amen to that. I better focus on this board and start tying these clues together.
Frank. Jetzt bin ich Homie mit Frank. Ach ja, machen wir Sparkle Horse. You, I love Wurst. Na, wie geht's denn so?
let's look at Frank's drug deals during the week of the party.
Okay.
Frank's account book. But the client names are encrypted. Frank is for sure the local dealer, but I doubt Rachel was carrying drugs for him. Right? Maybe Rachel took a road trip with Frank, but she did come back.
Oder
There's
eben
no
Drogen
doubt she
verkauft.
loved him in some way. Rot must stand for Rottweiler. That does fit Nathan. Rotten. So, what happened to Rachel after this? She dumped Frank, but I don't think he would hurt her.
Ja, was nehmen wir denn?
This is like goddamn math. I suck. I bet I could suss out some major clues in Frank's account book. If I could decipher the damn code names. Nope. Maybe I should try to link other clues together. No. This is not working. I could use that code we got from Frank to figure out. Yes, the game is on. Now, talk to us, account book. Tell us everything. Thanks to David's own investigation, I should be able to find out what Nathan did during the party's week. Does David know what's going on with Rachel, or is he just paranoid about everybody?
Nee, das ist nicht wichtig.
Look at all these license plates. I hope he was tailing Nathan. I hope in this case that David has good tracking skills. You need to get rid of these damn cameras, David. At least David was finally going after the right suspect. David really has been on Rachel's ass for a while. She should have been upset. Of course, I'm a suspect. Proving David sucks at... Maybe he was trying to help Kate in his own messed up way. And that's all she wrote. Please let me find some clues about Nathan in here.
Okay.
I have to analyze Nathan's messages. What could help me unlock this phone? There's a lot of numbers in here. This is the Vortex Club party where Nathan drugged Kate. Did he do the same thing? If there is a dark room, we better find it. It's a good thing Chloe slipped. Couldn't hurt to give this pin code a whack. Holy shit. Nathan is serious. Fail. Abort. Wrong clues. Better look for any clues or numbers that could be his pen code. Okay, this is just sad, Max. Okay, Max, let's blow this code up and go home.
We might die from medication, but we sure kill pain.
Oh fuck. Nee, ich habe mich zurückgespult.
Let's see if I can find any deal Frank made with Nathan or the Vortex Club. Okay, Max. Remember these names and see how Nathan fits in with all this. Frank sure is keeping his customers satisfied. He could open a store. Two deals with Nathan on the same day? Party supplies, no doubt. I wonder what dog name Frank would have given me. Oh, yes! These are all the times and places for Frank and Nathan's deals. That's it, Max.
Ich bin Pro.
Great. Now, how do I find out which car is Nathan's to match the coordinates? Yep, another car David was tracking. Why the hell are you following these people? And to where? There's Nathan dealing to the kids right out in the open. Of course Nathan drives an SUV. Overcompensating, as usual. Who does this car belong? Interesting. Is this Nathan's car?
Nee, das. Der mit dem Nummernschild SKP.
Okay, let's find out whose car this is.
Nee. Nö.
No. This is not working. Come on. Deduce Nathan's license plate number. Nope. Maybe I should try to link other clues together. Okay, Nathan's taillight is busted. And I'm pretty sure I saw that on one of the license plate photos. Oh yes, now we're finally getting somewhere.
Gut.
Chloe, let's plug in these numbers and see if they lead to an actual address.
Aye, aye, Captain. Here we come, Rachel.
So, jetzt noch die letzten.
Let's start hacking. Oops. bad code. Yeah, I knew it.
Fuck, warum nicht? Acht, sieben, acht, drei, sieben, acht, null, acht, acht, sieben. Fuck.
Think. Look at this shit again because you did miss something.
Ja, dann springen wir halt schnell zurück. Was kann es denn sonst noch sein?
Yeah, I knew it. Yeah, I knew it wouldn't be that easy.
9, 3, 8, 8.
You locked it, dumbass.
Oh, fick.
Yeah, I knew it wouldn't be that easy. You locked it, dumbass.
Vielleicht, ne?
Oops, bad code. Yeah, I knew it wouldn't be that easy. You locked it, dumbass. Oops, bad code. Yeah, I knew it wouldn't be that easy.
Ey, das gibt's ja nicht.
Oops, bad code. Yeah, I knew it wouldn't be that easy.
Hä?
You locked it, dumbass.
Fuck, man. Wie geht denn der Kack? Das ist echt nervend. Handy 1010. Aber geht eh auch nicht.
Oops. Bad code. Yeah, I knew it wouldn't be that easy. You locked it, dumbass. Oops. Bad code. You locked it, dumbass.
Und ich muss glaube wirklich den Puck-Code eingeben, ne? Auf 8, 7, 8. Was war das noch? 9, 7, 8, 0, 8, oder?
Booyah!
Yes?
Let's find out what Nathan Prescott has been trying to hide.
Boah, war das jetzt eine Geburt?
Yes. This is all about Nathan trying to score for the Vortex Club party. Nathan was jonesing hard the night of the party. He didn't have enough drugs. Drug dealer drama. God, Nathan. You're out of control. So it was you. Now I can officially call you a psycho stalker. No, Nathan. It's time for you to watch out. Asshole. Is this from Nathan's father? That's brutal.
Huh. Okay, schon hart. Aber wenn ich so einen Sohn hätte.
Take a breath, Max. Go through all this data and you can find out where Nathan took Kate after the party.
Ja, das ist jetzt noch fraglich, ne? Hart Blackwelt.
So, this infamous party was the 4th. Was Frank meeting Nathan at the junkyard? That beach is like Frank's main office. I know Nathan wasn't looking for Bigfoot in the forest. Somebody is stocking up on gas. Why? No doubt that Nathan stays in his dorm room. So, not much out there. Oh, that has to be the Prescott estate. If Joyce knew what Nathan did to Chloe, she would fry his ass. So, this infamous party was the 4th. No. This is not working. If I can match one of the text messages and Max, there is no logical link between those clues. Since Kate left the party early with Nathan, looks like this is not relevant at all. Looks like this isn't the right combination. Max, just match the right text message with the... Okay, this is just sad, Max. I'm pretty sure everything happened during that last Vortex Club party. When was that again? fail, abort. Wrong clues. Chloe, this is definitely the place.
So eine Kacke.
Let me dig up some more clues here.
Oh oh. Oh ja, jetzt muss ich aufhören, ne?
Nothing, Max. There's nothing here. Just a shitty old barn.
Zur Arbeit.
Let's keep searching and find out who owns this haunted barn.
Noch schnell fertig schauen, bis es speichert. Und dann geht es dann heute Abend oder morgen
Somebody
dann wieder
named
weiter.
Harry Aaron Prescott.
I'm shocked. Should we call the police?
Fuck that. You know the police here are like Nathan's private security, right?
That's so messed up.
As you've noticed, this whole town is messed up. We can't trust anybody, except each other. So we have to go out to that farmhouse by ourselves.
I was afraid you'd say that. We could call Warren since he kicked Nathan's ass.
It's just the two of us, nobody else. And I'm not scared at all. You have the power. I feel like we're this close to finding Rachel. We have to find her, Max.
We will. But remember, my power isn't infinite. We still have to be careful. Do you hear, Chloe?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jo Leute, dann wünsche ich noch einen schönen Nachmittag. Haut rein. Man sieht sich oder man hört sich, besser gesagt.